In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. What this gives you is access to Xbox Game Pass and cloud gaming, which is awesome, especially if you don't have a console. I'm going to show you how to get a 12-month code for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. I just did this myself, and it works. With Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you get access to tons of games, including EA Play, so you can play FIFA, Need for Speed, Assassin's Creed, and so many others. First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. Head over to the website linked in the comments section. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Xbox Game Pass. Click on it, scroll down, and you'll find the available promo codes. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. Keep in mind that these codes are limited, so you'll need to unlock your personal code to prevent others from using it. If you're interested, check out the pinned comment below. There, I explain exactly where you can get your Xbox Game Pass code.